Hello everyone, welcome from my channel. In this video, I will show you how to knit easy knitting pattern. I will call as a pattern 1. So let's start. Firstly, I will do a cast on 21 stitches. To do a cast on stitch, we need to know average length of yarn. So let's take a look how I am doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is for 10 stitches. 20 stitches. Get a more yarn for 21 stitch and extra yarn. From this point, tie a yarn to get the first stitch. Put the needle inside the yarn. I will call 1 stitch. Then grab a yarn like I show. Continue for the stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 21. Now I got a 21 cast on stitches. So this is my cast on stitch. So I will continue to first row. The first row, knit all 21 stitches. One, 2, 3, For the row 2, purl all 21 stitches. Row 3, slip stitch, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 2 together, Continue all 21 stitches. Row 4, purl all stitches. Row 5, knit all stitches. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, slip stitch, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2 stitch, yarn over, knit 2 together, continue all stitches. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, knit all stitches. By following this step, you can continue for your desired length. So this is my knitting pattern 1. The front is like this. and the back is also like this. So I hope you will like and enjoy my video. If you like it, please like my video and subscribe my channel for coming videos. Enjoy. Bye bye.